Good morning, students. Myself, Sharu Mahajan, your computer teacher. Welcome to the computer session. In this session, we are going to learn about HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. It is used for creating web pages. You already have learned in theory session that we write the program of HTML in Notepad. So let's start the practical session by writing a small program in Notepad and running it with the browser. So just click it on your Notepad. Here you can write the commands. Doc type is mandatory to write, so we write doc type HTML. Doc type we can write in the capital letters. No, it's not a case sensitive. So अगर आपने small में type किया, it's okay. It doesn't necessary to type in the capital letters. But I prefer to type tags in capital letters ताकि मैं उसे normal text से थोड़ा differ कर सकूं. Okay, it will make difference between the normal text and the tags. So I can get my mistakes easily. I can recognize them easily. That's why I just write the tags in capital letter. This is the basic format. We have to first write the doc type HTML, then HTML tag we have to start. Doc type HTML is a empty tag, but the HTML is the container tag. We have to write the HTML tag at the end of the program. We have to give the closing tag for the HTML for closing our program, for ending our program. It's just like start and end for the program. Then we will write the title. We have to write the title under the head tag. So I will just write head and then title. I can give you the title computer word. You can write it according to your need. It's up to you what you want to write. Closing tag title. Next is the body tag. This is the basic structure. In each and every program, you have to give these lines. So you can change the content only. The tags are the same for the each and every page. In body tag, you can write what you want the content of your page. It can be an image, it can be the text, it can be anything. From in the beginning, we just start with the text only. Okay, we just write some lines, few lines here. Uh, Everything is changing very fast. अभी हम इतना ही लिखते हैं. Just try with this much of text. बॉडी टैग को भी हमें क्लोज करना है जैसे हमने टाइटल टैग को क्लोज किया था. हमने अपना हेडर टैग क्लोज नहीं किया है तो हमारा टाइटल जो है वो ठीक से शो नहीं होगा. सो जस्ट एंड हेड टैग को भी हम बंद कर देंगे. Now we will just save the file with HTML extension. File dot HTML. After saving it with the name trial.html, we will just see on our desktop. Here is the file. Its icon is already changed with the web browser. हमने HTML दिया है so that it can be recognized by the web browser. That's why it's in the icon of the web browser, Google Chrome. We just double click on it. It will run our file with Google Chrome. Chrome is not my default browser, that's why it's just asking me. Here is the computer word. Our title came here, and this is the content. It comes in the page. It's run with the web browser. Now, if I have to change something in our page, I have to just right click on this file name, open with, then I have to choose the another app. That is, if it's showing, it's okay. Otherwise, you can click on the notepad. It will open your file with the notepad. Open with notepad. You have to do it open with notepad. Or otherwise, you can minimize it while working. Don't close it. Till then, your program is not done. And you can maximize from there only. I can write here one more line. Suppose I want to leave one line between. I just give the BR tag here. BR is an empty tag. How many time I'm using this tag? That much lines it leaves between the text. I'm writing the second line here. You can write anything. Now again, I save my file. Name is already given, so I don't have to give the name again. Okay. Now what we'll do was just run the file again, and we will see the change in the result. Okay. You can see it on the internet. I have written. हम जो भी स्पेसिंग टेक्स्ट में अपने प्रोग्राम में देंगे इट विल नॉट अपीयर इन द प्रोग्राम हमें जो भी स्पेसिंग देनी है मुझे लाइंस छोड़नी थी आई हैव टू गिव विद द कमांड्स बीआर मुझे एक लाइन छोड़नी थी मैंने बीआर लिखा पहला बीआर इस लाइन को ब्रेक करने के लिए था कि इसी के आगे टेक्स्ट नहीं आएगा सेकंड बीआर जो था दैट इज फॉर लिविंग द लाइन ठीक है इट्स अ लाइन ब्रेक okay breaking line so whatever space we want to give in the text in html we have to take care that it should be given through the tags that's all for this session we will meet in the next session in the practical session of the next program till then bye everyone and enjoy html try it at your home also bye everyone